Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download TesterUp application on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your App Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you've done that, go to the search box and type in TesterUp and search. Look for this application that says TesterUp Earn Money. Now, tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. TesterUp is a user testing platform that offers its users various ways to side hustle and make money online. You can make money testing games, digital products, apps, and websites with the platform. Soon after the application is downloaded and installed, you can open the application on your preferred device. So that's how easily you can download the TesterUp application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.